Welcome back. Residents in Ravanpond are worried by the flooding rainwater into their houses. At the Ravanpond junction, the water level is raised due to water clogging. The water then flows into the houses.
Look at this water clogging in Ravanpond. This is the junction connecting to Kepe, Mandap and Madgaon. Every monsoon, this junction floods with rainwater. It creates a lot of inconvenience to the pedestrians and vehicular traffic. Due to water clogging, this area becomes an accident-prone zone during monsoons. The water does not have any passage to drain. It enters the houses and shops in the locality.
उदक कपडे आयदन बियन सगळे आमचे वय सगळे रांदपाक खाटीचेर आमचे न्हिदपा बिदपा कांयच मेळना आमकां
तेजी कंप्लेन बी दिली तुम्ही उदक भरतेची
पयलीं दिल्ली आमी आतां ह्या वर्षी दिवना कित्याक काय करना न्ही रे ती सगळी बेश्टे आयकता वयता पळयता वयता आनी कितें काय फायदो ना न्ही मागीर सांगून करया कितें करता उदक आख्खें भरता आनी सगळें भितर येता आख्खें फूल भितर येता उदक आतां कितें करपाचें उदका बिदका कितें म्हूण करपाचें.
Despite of several complaints, PWD is not bothered.
पावस येयलो की उदक भरता.
तुम्ही सांगले बी कोणाक?
हय आमी कंप्लेंट केले पंचायती बरयले PWD मिनिस्टर सांगले सगळ्यांक सांगले पण कोण एक्शन घेयना कितले एक्सिडेंट जाले कितले भुरगीं पडले धाकले भुरगीं पडटा स्कुलां वचपाची भुरगीं ह्या खातीर ती ह्या वटेन वयता आसतना ते कितले भुरगीं पडली सायकलीन पडटा सगळे पडटा कळ्ळ्यांक पडटा.
A reporter in Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
And now news from sports. Goa's bodybuilding team is set to be declared in the coming days after Goa Bodybuilding and Fitness Association completed the selection trials on Wednesday. The team will represent state at the National Games to be hosted in 2014.
The first round of trials was held on Sunday at the Fatorda Stadium Gymnasium. Those who could not make it for the trials then were asked to report on Wednesday. Here are some of the trialists who did their best to make it to the state team. The trialists were judged by Federation official Khushali Viddikar, National Judge Santosh Mapsekar and Association official Sanjay Raikar.
एक दोन दिसा आमचो रिजल्ट जातलो ते नंतर ह्या भुरग्यांनी ह्या 3 वर्सां खातीर अशी ट्रेनिंग करपाची की तेणी प्रत्येकानी गांवांनी जीम आसा ते जिमा एटेंड जावपाचें आनी मदींच एक 2-2 म्हयन्यांनी एक सेंटर पणजे किंवा मडगांव आमी सिलेक्ट करतले थंय तांकां ट्रेनिंग आसतली त्या ट्रेनिंगेक तेणी भाग घेवपाचो अशें करून आमकां एक आशा आसा की फुडल्या नॅशनल गेमीक बॉडी बिल्डींग हें गोंयचें एक बरें नांव जातलें कारण हाजे पयलीं रामा भट आनी नॅशनल चॅम्पियन जाल्लो आसा गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट त्या आशेचेर दुसरे भुरगे बी आतां भरपूर काम करपाक लागल्यात त्या खातीर हांव गोवा ऑलिंपीक एसोसिएशन आनी SAG हांचे मनाचे आभार मानता कारण तेणें एक बरी स्कीम आमकां दिल्ली आसा. कितले भुरगे सद्याक सिलेक्शनाक आयिल्ले? सिलेक्शनाक जवळ जवळ आमी 25 भुरगे सिलेक्शनाक आयिल्ले.
A reporter from Fatorda, Sameer Bhatt.
Natasha Bala has been busy in last few months winning a tennis tournament and notching up some impressive results. The Dempo Goodwill brand ambassador recently won the singles and doubles competition at the Chandigarh Open 50K National Tennis Tournament. The Goan tennis teen sensation is currently ranked 4th overall in under 18 age grouping, while she is ranked 15th in the open category in women's ranking in India. Prudent caught up with Natasha on Wednesday.
I have here with me Natasha Palya, who's just returned from Chandigarh. She's won the nationals over there. Natasha, first of all, how was that experience and are you happy with your result?
Yes, definitely. I'm very happy with this result because I won both the singles and the doubles. And it's a good thing to get a grand double because you don't lose any match. So I'm very happy about my results in Chandigarh.
Any areas of your game which you're looking to improve or tighten up over the last 1 year?
Basically, I have good footwork and I have a good game. I think it'll just be more practice so that I improve on everything just a little bit and develop a more overall all-round game.
Natasha has participated in a string of tennis tournaments in India after she cracked into the WTA doubles rankings earlier this year.
We spoke in the month of February. I was just going to play a tournament in Aurangabad, so we reached the semi-finals and me and my doubles partner, we were both given a wild card there So we were like the youngest players to reach the semi-finals. It was a 10,000 women's tournament. And after that, I've got some good results in double, especially when I played in a tournament in Hyderabad, which was also a 10,000. We reached the finals there. And we lost in the finals to 2 Korean girls. We also beat the top seeds along the way. And yeah, this was the tournament in Chandigarh was just after my stint in Spain. So we were there for 1 month at the Sanchez Cazal Academy, which is well known throughout the world. So I think the benefits of that have definitely been shown here in these 2 tournaments.
What was the level of competition that you saw over here at this tournament? Were you pushed to your limit, or was the competition easy for you?
Actually, this was a tournament that I took part for a higher Indian ranking, so that I get into bigger tournaments. So I was the top seed in both the events, the singles and doubles. So I was, yeah, it was my level to reach the finals and win the tournament. So I'm happy I did it, yeah, because I didn't lose a set along the way.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Shan from Agasai.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.